Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicholas. Happy birthday to you. Arvo foi. This outfit, but anyway.
Hello. There's really nothing for you. It's mostly for you. Daddy.
That frog looks weird.
Okay. I love this frog, man. Look at this. And this is my favorite frog.
So what do you say? Should we try and open something?
Sure.
How about, yeah. Look at this. Oh, look at these pillows. Why are they lying
I
there?
don't know. Just
Oh, Nicholas.
Open
Okay.
it, Nicholas. Open. Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it cool?
It's from me.
Thank you, Nadia.
You're welcome. I knew that you love
Can you
this.
lift it up? Do you think? Oh, you can. Okay.
Can you?
Can you just show it to the camera? No, the other way. So to remember.
It's kind of like a nerve gun.
Yeah.
X-Shot Turbo Fire.
Okay.
And there's also a net and some other ones.
I tried to please you.
What?
No, I tried really hard to choose a
You
nice.
do?
Yes. No, I do love it that you like it. Daniel.
This feels like 10 pounds of brick.
That one is for Grandmom in Denmark, and Linnea and Bertha in Denmark, Karen. It was very heavy. Daniel.
Yeah, it is very heavy. Thanks, Daniel. Thanks.
Думаю, сладенький такой.
And I got one more. Oh no, it's that one. Thank you, Daniel.
Come on, Nicholas.
What? I don't want to work good.
Rip what?
Yes, it was kind of funny to do that.
Yeah.
Because,